Great originality and value of design. High-quality sponge material sleeping bed. Upper bed 750 millimeters. Lower bed 900 millimeters. Variable air damping seat. Multifunctional dashboard. Luxury super soft material lining. Convenient sunshade. Practical sunroof. Large size airflow guide. Integral rear view mirror with integrated heating and side turning. Dual color front face. Compound headlights. Hidden type cabin steps. Alcoa rims. Unparalleled vehicle design. Cummins IMS engine. 345 to 440 horsepower. 1710 to 2100 Newton meter. Weichai engine. 375 to 550 horsepower. 1650 to 2300 Newton meter. Fast MT. Eaton AMT. Allison AT transmissions. Hendeman technology axles. FAG low resistance roll bearing. Independent lubrication system. 500,000 kilometers maintenance free. Fleet Guard air filter. Fuel consumption reduced by 10.2%. The most comfortable experience. Telescopic shaft-type gear shifting mechanism. Multi-layer isolation. Dual-layer sealed doors and windows. Integral foam floor. 4 locks in one. Doors,